Good morning, guys. Hi, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I would say to be continued. So let's start today's morning. Firstly, we are eating guava's leaf, and I will make sure the guava leaf is mandatory for the morning gut health. So you can. I also recommend to you. So you can take it. So normally, regularly, there is a water, and we are just moving forward to our destinations, like as you see. So let's keep moving. एंड थैंक यू गाइस, आप लोगों ने 1K व्यूज़ पहुँचाए हैं और अपना प्यार दिखाया। वैसे तो मैं ये कंटेंट की जर्नी स्टार्ट नहीं करना चाहता, बट ये मेरे लिए ज़रूरी भी है, क्योंकि आई थिंक बेस्ट वे है अपने आप को रिप्रेजेंट करने का, और बेस्ट वे है अपनी गलतियों से सीखने का, जिससे हम आगे जाके और भी ज़्यादा चीज़ें इफ़ेक्टिवली कर सकते हैं, और मेक श्योर करेंगे कि सारी चीज़ें प्लान्ड, जो भी प्लान किया है उसके स्टेप बाय स्टेप्स रीच आउट करते जाएं। और अपना ओपिनियन और कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर दीजिएगा कि कैसा रह रहा है। अभी तक कम ही वीडियोज़ आई हैं, और मेक श्योर कीजिएगा कि आपका ओपिनियन दोनों तरफ से हो, नेगेटिव भी हो और पॉजिटिव भी। आई विल मेक श्योर, एंड योर फीडबैक इज़ मोर वैल्यूएबल, बिकॉज कंटेंट इज़ ईजी टू मेक, बट evaluation is important to growth. And today I have a lot of things to say, but I'm just thinking observation that I noticed yesterday evening, that is, when you are in the toughest difficult phase of your life, everyone try to pull you down. Don't be stopped by someone, don't just ignore to them. Acceptance is important, and most importantly, keep going, keep traveling, let go your mistakes and poor habits. If you are doing well, like I observe so many people in UP medical college, that they are well known persons, and some are good, some are ugly, but they are happy. That is mostly important, because enjoyment of the journey is most important. At the end of the day, the result is mostly defined as your success, as your failure is does not matter. What you did, and are you satisfied with your result, that is important, I realized. So I started my content journey, and becoming a better one, that is most important. So I will try to take every aspect that I put it last 5 years, that experiential learning, that self evaluation is also be a part of my journey. and I will make sure that no one will interrupt our journey. If somebody interrupted or hinders our performance, so it's okay. Just keep moving, keep going, because everyone is just become a watcher. When you are growing, everyone becomes like successor wants better results, failure wants just stay there and watching the trying people and laughing on them. So I realize now it is very easy to laugh someone, judgmental someone, and the performance that you did, it is a matter. Like uh, I also tried to speak in English properly and fluency, but I never tried to publish it because inside always a fear of judgment, fear of rejection is always present, that affect me literally in terms of emotionally. But nowadays I accept it because I learned it by my mistakes, that someone is be your part of journey who always be negative thoughts are present inside their head. So I realized that it's okay. Just focus on yourself, give your best effort, and if somebody confront you in negative way, just try to pull out something positive inside it. And if there is no positive uh, possibility is present, so neglect it and just move on. Let go the mistakes. Don't be take the burden of the mistakes in your forehead and staying there like अरे ये नहीं हो पाया, अरे वो नहीं हो पाया, मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगा। ये चीज़ मुझे रियलाइज़ हो चुकी है. आई जस्ट started to be best way to deliver, and all the script that are you listening is not scripted, because I also be I just express to myself, become a best version of self expression in terms of like self growth and psychology. So the motive of the year is to be simple. We are dealing to ourselves in three all the aspects. Like in previous years I work a lot on mental health and physical health. Now this year I just focus on three things: financial year, psychological year, and physical year. So it is very important, because if you are if you are emotionally and 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 you are mentally free from what surrounding said, or if you are be control to your emotions, it is very easy to communicate, think early, analyze it, understand, and realize the mistakes that you did in your past. So it is very easier to rectify the mistakes and just keep moving, keep pushing to yourself at the next level. To become 1% change from yesterday is important. I also know some of the people that afraid to be speech, afraid to be we talk, but now they are killing. Like I uh, I know someone who is just like 2022 batch. He is a senior in MBBS, in my residency. So he is just like afraid to talk to someone. When I meet him first time, he is very shy and introvert. I would not say introvert. He is like quiet, and when I talk to him, he is afraid to talk to me. But now I meet him for few months ago. He is just killed me completely. As I like, I remember the person who is very simple, and now he is become like he's singing the music. He's singing uh, the सारे जहाँ से छ and Sayara. He like he is killing for few melodious songs that I think that voice is completely changed. The personality is changed. So morally, I learned it that growth is a part of life. So keep pushing to yourself to grow better and become the best person of your life. In terms of moral values also, or technical values and skill basis भी. Like I talked to him. He's now his soft skills like communications, all stuff, and analytical reason. He is just like, I think we talk about little biophysics related topics, and he just answer me very frequently, and I realized that it is very easy to confront someone on your mistakes, but it is very difficult to dealing the better one. So we are reaching our destination, and as you see, this is our beautiful destination. And like, so let's start our workout. And normally we are dealing three things. First thing is walk. Then we are going to mock drills, and again we are going to speed walk. So let me set my phone. So I hope as you listen and the voice is captured. So let's do our workout.